for Fed Day. This is Wednesday, September 21st, 2022, 8:30 a.m. Central Time. Stock market just opened, the cash markets, and as you can see, markets reacting to it right now. A lot of trades coming in. As always, this is where the algorithms step into the market, do their thing. We had a good rally overnight in the metal markets, giving some up right now. Dollar is soaring today against a host of foreign currencies as the market continues to look for increased interest rate hikes by the Fed. Now, the market goes in expecting a 75 basis point hike. There's an outlier chance of 100 basis points. Grain markets, wheat continues to soar as there's a lot of fear here of two things. Number one, the Ukraine crop. The newest estimates are coming in quite a bit less than what was originally thought was going to be. We're talking about 10% less. There's fear that with the escalation now that Russia is doing in the regions of the Ukraine, that at any point they could say that no, this deal of letting the grain through the ports isn't working out. It's not going the way they thought. 300 reservists were called up by Russia to go to these regions that are going to start holding their sham elections this weekend. Obviously, Russia thinks that they'll vote to align with Russia, therefore they'll annex them. And anyone, including the Ukraine army that goes in, then they're attacking motherland Russia. They're attacking that. Nuclear weapons are on the table. This is what Putin wants the world to think. And while this is all going on, of course, the UN just went back in session. You can imagine how wild it is there with all that is going on from this. Let's take a look at some of the events of the day. The FOMC, as I said, the 1 o'clock announcement, Central Time, 1:30 press conference. The mortgage market, these are good numbers. They came back a week ago. Remember, this is for the weekend, the 16th. This is already the 21st. But when you look at that, good numbers. I think you're getting a lot of going on with variable rate mortgages. What's going to happen is they're going to pull out the playbook. Do you remember 15 years ago when interest rates were going up then, you'd buy variable rate, and then the game was, and it became a game, how do I refi? Who's going to waive the fees? I can get it at a better rate. You push fees off or they're thrown into the deal at the end of it. Well, that's what's coming back. Nothing really changes. If you're old enough, and I am, you've seen all this game in one way or the other, and you know how to play it. Existing home sales comes out at 9 o'clock. We expect the home sales at 4.68 million compared to the 4.81 last month. EIA numbers, they're looking for a build in all the numbers, and I'm going to repeat. Keep in the back of your mind that OPEC hasn't yet met its production quotas. I haven't gone back and done the research. I'm willing to bet it's a year. And they're about 3.5 million barrels a day shy of the quota, and another bet I'd make is that they're going to cut production again at the next OPEC Plus meeting. Why not? They're not happy. Prices keep falling under the 90 level. They get bounces here and there, but they're going to try to shore things up as best as they can. Now that's going to lead us back to, of course, today, the stock indices. Keep in the back of your mind that there has been a tendency that after the FOMC announcement, the markets rally. That's what the market's been doing. It breaks in front of it, rallies after it. I'm not saying it has to happen, and history doesn't always mean it's going to happen, but there's a strong tendency for that to occur. I'd be watching that. The next thing I want you to look at is the information that we offer, because you're going to know how this impacts everything. I don't care if it's in the grain markets. I don't care if it's in the financial markets, the soft commodities, option plays, spread strategies, cash markets, every area of it. We offer all this information to you, and we cover it throughout the day. So you'll be getting reports. We probably write 50 reports a day. That doesn't mean you have to get all 50. We tailor them to what you want. You may not want anything to do with the meat markets or the soft markets. You might want just the financial. You'll get that. You'll get all our special reports, including our charts of the day as well. We'd like to show you what our paying subscribers and our customers are entitled to get. This is not for the general public, but we do show it. So if you'd like to get it, all you need to do is go to our website under free offers. You just follow my finger right over my head over here. And what do? Give it a click. You'll see an icon appear. Click the icon. It'll take you right to the free offers section. Sign up for what you want. Can't wait for this report to get out. I've already written a very lengthy report for my paid subscribers for this morning. That'll go out at 11:30. It's something you can sign up for in the free offers as well. You have a good day. I'm Ira Epstein.